A new public transport project initiated by 4 young school leavers has brought much interest from different sectors on the island. The proposed business is to target everyone on the island who wish the freedom of travelling without hassles of driving to town or around the island. 2 of the instigators of the project, Leilani Tungiamana and Cecilia Akemu, said the interest for their business drives from surveys held with old folks and the public, and the need to cater for those without vehicles and those who wish to save on their motor vehicles, and also target visitors to the island. The 2 potential business moguls said most of the logistics of the business is still in its planning stages, but the beginning of the business venture will see 2 buses dispersed at 5:30 a.m. in the morning for market people, returning at 8 a.m. for workers in different villages before returning to drop off in the afternoon. The cost to use the bus is $5 or a $5 concession pass all day. The 4 business partners are Leilani Tungiamana, Cecilia Akemo, Mokaiwa Tanaki and Courtney Haletama.